Hi guys, it's me, V, just a person who'll be a straight A student if K-pop was a major. Say, 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗓𝗓, they're out with Across the Universe, which is a mini album, and it is both the title of the mini album and the title track. Okay, say, this is gonna be the first thing you will see me reacting to this group, but I've already pre-filmed this Friday's new K-pop Friday, and it is with 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗓𝗓. So that is the reason why I have already pre-filmed it, is because I knew they were having a comeback today and that I wanted to react to it. Yesterday. They had their comeback yesterday, but I was very busy yesterday, so here I am today. But yeah, but I did want to film my new K-pop Friday before their comeback, but I have already filmed my new K-pop Friday with this group, and I reacted to 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗪, 𝗙𝗙𝗪, and Are You Ready? Yes, that's the 3 songs I reacted to on my new K-pop Friday, so that will be up on this Friday. Okay, but anyways, also Jungwoo will not be in this comeback because I think he has back pain, so he's taking a break due to that. So I was spoiler alert, I was very pleasantly surprised with my first reaction to this group on my new K-pop Friday. They're very good. Okay, so Across the Universe by 𝗙𝗙𝗟𝗟𝗓𝗓, let's go. Oh, there are a bunch of visuals, like, whoa. Oh, I haven't learned all their names yet. Some, but not all. Jungwoo? Is that right? The red-haired guy? Oh, I remember Jungwoo a lot. He's a great rapper. Ooh, that was a great transition. Oh. Whoa. Oh, deep voice. This is such an underrated group. Why are they not more talked about? He has so many lines. He's a great vocalist though, so I get it. Oh, it's so good. The chorus hits so hard. I like this blonde haired guy a lot. I can't remember his name or like who he is, but he's good. They're very talented dancers. Very talented. Oh. Oh. Who's that blonde guy though? I really thought he could be though, but that Hyunho was the guy that I really liked in my new K-pop Friday. But he didn't have many lines in this song. But yeah, he's a rapper. Oh, Chanyeong. Rapper, main performer slash dancer. He's great. Yeah, I like him a lot. He's great. Let me know your thoughts on this. I think they're such an underrated group. Why aren't more people talking about them is my question. So stay tuned for my new K-pop Friday on this Friday, because it's with Dikrunch. And yeah, as always, before you leave this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again another time. Bye.